So my neighbor, this over here is the best thing. My neighbor gave me a bunch of old scaffolding, and it was like really, really rusted. I pressure washed it yesterday while I was waiting for stuff, and it knocked off some of the flake, like that was very, very explicit rust. Knocked that off. So this is what it's looking like from yesterday. I've got a grinder, but I don't want to use a grinder on this, so I'm using this thing, which is like, don't let these things hit you, that far from your hand, whatever. And I'm going to knock the rust off the best I can. I've already done some of it. I had this thing, nice thing to stick it straight up. Did that. I don't have a lot of navel jelly, and to be honest with you, it ain't going to take that rust off, okay? And I'm not going to like rinse it back with water because it's not even going to take it off. I don't really even care. I just want it so like when I slide the scaffolding, it will slide like, it's supposed to extend. It's like incredibly, it was hard. My son had to help me take these things off. It was really hard to get them to move. They've been sitting out and unused for years. But my goal is just brush it with whatever I have, and then after it sits, rather than wash it and try to repeat and yada yada yada, I'm literally just going to I got a can of primer reducer, so I think it's not primer reducer, it's primer prep. So I'm going to do that, put that on after it, and then I'm just going to spray paint it with Rust-Oleum spray paint. I think I've got stuff that says lightly rusted, not like real primer, but I don't care. I'm just going to put it on there and yada yada yada, and I'll just use that to pour my paint in, and it will work. See how it goes.